Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I mentioned in my last video, I had a hard time finding my connector like this so that I could plug it into my Texan H-501X. It's a 3.5 millimeter on this end and a SO-239 on this end. And I had searched Amazon and I couldn't find one. Well, luckily this morning I was looking over my Amazon sales, and about a week ago somebody purchased this package of 5 connectors. And so I looked it up and I go, that's what I need. And what threw me off is this is the description. So it doesn't mention SO-239 and it does mention UHF. Now I thought this was considered VHF, but I was wrong. It's UHF. So here you are. You get 5 in a package. They cost $12.50. Takes about a week to get them. And here's another one up here, but this is a single one. It's only $2.59, but it's $4.60 shipping. So this is a better deal if you need more than one, which I need more than one because I keep losing them. So that's it. It has a rating of there we go, 4 out of 5. So that's pretty good rating. It's only got 8 ratings though. It's actually 4.6 out of 5. There we go. That's what I was trying to do. All right, check it out. If you go to the description below this video, there's a link to my Amazon store. This is now in my Amazon store, first item. You can support my show by purchasing through my Amazon store. There's no additional cost, and you're dealing directly with Amazon. That's it. Have a great day. Bye-bye.